Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast में Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Bannerjee. आज एशियन equity markets में हल्का गिरावट है, but at the same time dollar index is largely flat. Dollar अगर specifically बात करें against specific currencies, तो then it is down against some, up against some. So it's rather a mixed bag. Oil prices are hovering well below 100. That's good news. Now, effect of all this, Indian rupee is slightly stronger offshore में. The sell-off in the equities is not having impact as of yet. The decline in dollar rupee in the offshore is not significant. 79, 65, 66 के आसपास हो सकता है. The August 26th futures can start trading, which will be like 5 to 6 paisa gap down from where it closed last Friday. This week, the important data is US CPI data, CPI inflation. उसके अलावा और कोई खास data है नहीं. So आज वो data है शाम को, and the expectation is that the month-on-month growth rate जो है, it's going to be at the lowest level since November 2020. Now that's something which we have to see. Of course, a slowdown in the CPI is going to have an impact on the dollar. But because it's so much anticipated, that's why देखना ये है कि कितना negative impact होता है on the USD. Because once this data impact passes, हो सकता है कि the data comes in as expected, and उसके बाद dollar index or dollar in general pulls back, means एक sell-off आता है. But once that sell-off is complete, we expect again the dollar to rise. So, therefore, it is advisable that if you are wanting to go long dollar, then you wait for the data to come out aaj sham ko, and then tomorrow or day after, as the correction ends, the downward correction, then we can look at better levels to enter longs. Now, what are the support levels? 79.40 है एक, और then 79 के आसपास on the futures. जब तक 79 के ऊपर डॉलर रूपी है, तब तक we have to assume that at least on the price action basis, the trend is still upward. But again, आज important CPI data है, तो हो सकता है if the CPI comes soft as expected, एक pull back आए. तो इसके लिए you can wait for the data to come out tonight, and then tomorrow or day after, as the price actions suggest, we can look to enter fresh longs. So as of now, today, we can wait on, unless you are wanting to do intraday trades, just I'm talking about positional trades, we can wait before going long. Options selling का एक अच्छा opportunity आ रहा है, because next week we have 2 holidays in India. So it's going to be a super truncated week. So therefore, जो August 19th वाला expiry options है, we can even look to sell that. But look to do strangles, because it will give you at least a range to play on. So short strangles can be done, and even people who don't want to take the unlimited risk, they can look to do short iron flies or short iron condors, where you basically break the wings and eliminate the unlimited risk in the market. So these trades can be done because we have a holiday shortened week. That's the next one. So that trade can be done with August 19th expiry futures. Cross currencies may it could all remain range bound except for yen, because yen is still dollar yen is showing a lot of upside trend. So therefore yen INR could come under selling pressure. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. For a fantastic day ahead.